everybody, and welcome to a new video and welcome to Spain. I'm on my way to Portimao. As you can see again, I'm with the truck. I picked it up this morning from Barcelona. The hospitality guys were kind enough to drive it already to Barcelona, and yeah, I had an early flight, so I had to get up at 3 and then drive to Schiphol airport, and then from there fly to Barcelona. The truck was pretty close to the airport, so that was easy. And then I started driving. I think around 10:30, 10:45 I started. And I actually just finished my 4.5 hours, my first 4.5 hours. So I'm on my break, and I just passed Valencia. And today I'm gonna do maybe 4 hours, 3.5 hours more, stop again, sleep for the night, and then tomorrow it's I think still 500 kilometers left to get me to Portimao, but I should make it well in time. My ETA is 2 p.m. so I expect no problems, but you never know. Still a long way to go. It's a little bit shy of 900 kilometers still to go, so a little bit driving going on, and just sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy this trip. Okay, here we are in Portimao. So we crossed the Iberian Peninsula. In the end it was 1300 kilometers from Barcelona to Portimao, and yeah, the first day went pretty well, and also today I could do the truck wash, and yeah, we arrived here well in time to park, and then yeah, pretty much all the crates arrived from Qatar. They are in the pit box, and yeah, tomorrow the team will arrive and we sort everything out, and yeah, just like any other weekend, prepare the bikes, prepare the wheels, the brakes, everything, so we can have our first session on Friday. So yeah, let's see how everything goes, and I'll see you after the weekend. So wow, that's already the second race of the season done. Yeah, it was quite an exciting race, but unfortunately not really for us. Yeah, difficulty all weekend long to keep up with the front runners. The gap is not that big, but yeah, it's in the end we're in the back. So yeah, there's still a lot more work to do. Not just for the LCR team, but also for the Repsol Honda team. They're also struggling, so yeah, we keep pushing, hoping that the next race will be a lot better for us. That's going to be COTA, USA, Texas. Looking forward to that one. Always one of my favorites, so yeah, I can't wait to go there. But yeah, it's not that far yet. I still have to drive 300 kilometers more to Jerez, because yeah, that's where we're gonna park the truck, and then tomorrow I will fly out to Sevilla. Oh no, I will drive to Sevilla, sorry, and then I fly out to Amsterdam. So yeah, it's not that far yet. For now, I'll hope you guys like the rest of this video, and hopefully I see you all in the next one. So take care, see you next time.